They are fully hydrated now. Ensure the transport is ready for the morning. Yes, the health readings look excellent.
Scan confirms identity, Camel 34B. Vitals are stable.
All right, let's move him out and bring in the next one.
Easy now, steady. Keep moving up the ramp. Almost there, brother. Watch your step inside.
In 1.5 miles, take the exit for the processing facility. Merge onto Access Road.
Everything is in order. Proceed to the unloading bay, Gate 3.
Keep coming back, slowly now, clear on the left.
The manufacturing process officially begins here, ensuring complete digital traceability from the moment the hides arrive.
Thickness is good, 2.2 millimeters.
AI confirms. Pass this one to cleaning.
The raw hides enter giant stainless steel washing drums, where powerful rotating systems remove dirt, dust, salt, and remaining impurities.
Ensure the coverage is even on this side.
Looks good. We can move this one to the rack.
The moisture restoration rate is steady.
Good, extending the soak duration by 10 minutes as planned.
pH levels are stable at 8.5. The collagen fibers should be ready.
Agreed. Let's prep for mechanical cleaning.
The limed hides pass through powerful fleshing machines equipped with precision rotating blades that remove remaining fat, membrane, and unwanted tissue.
The pH is stabilizing right at 8.5. Good, the enzymes are activating perfectly.
The pickling process is crucial. Here, AI systems precisely regulate the conditions, ensuring the unique grain of the camel leather is preserved. The pH levels are holding steady at 4.5. Good, the AI is maintaining the temperature perfectly.
The AI sensors ensure that every hide meets our premium standard for cleanliness. The consistency is remarkable. Check the consistency report for drum 7. The absorption rate is excellent. Looks good. The sensors confirm the color uniformity.
AI-controlled systems monitor temperature and pressure, ensuring every premium hide dries evenly without shrinking or warping.
The grain consistency here is excellent, no signs of over-drying. Confirmed. The AI climate control is working perfectly on this batch.
Only camel leather passes through automated buffing machines equipped with fine abrasive rollers that smooth minor surface imperfections while preserving the unique camel grain. Large sheets of camel leather only enter a precision embossing machine where engraved steel rollers create an elegant luxury texture while maintaining the authentic natural grain.
Every sheet of finished camel leather passes beneath AI-powered vision systems that inspect grain quality, color consistency, thickness, flexibility, embossing accuracy.
This batch looks exceptional.
Yes, the grain is perfect for the luxury line.
The CNC station uses advanced AI to optimize every cut, ensuring minimal waste of this luxurious camel leather. Premium camel leather sheets are carefully stacked, protected with soft separator sheets, wrapped in protective film, and packed into heavy-duty export cartons.